friends, today we shall discuss about type of government. So the very first question that comes to our mind is what is government? Government is basically the group of people with the authority to govern a country or state or a particular ministry in office. Government is a means by which organizational policies are enforced as well as a mechanism for determining policy. Each government has a kind of constitution, a statement of its governing principles and philosophy. Like our country, India, has its own constitution. Other countries have their own constitution. There are various types of government like democracy, autocracy, oligarchy, monarchy, anarchy, theocracy, dictatorship, republic, totalitarian, authoritarian. So today we will discuss few of these. When there is no ruler, and then the type of government is anarchy. This usually happens in the condition of war. One ruler, then government is monarchy or dictatorship, and when there are few rulers, then it is oligarchy or janta, and when it is ruled by all, means government of the people, for the people and by the people, like in our country, then this type of government is called as democracy. So this is just the classification of the government on the basis of who rules. Democracy. In democracy, power is shared by all the people, government by the people. In a democracy, the government is elected by the people. Everyone who is eligible to vote has a chance to have their say over who runs the country. It is distinct from governments controlled by a particular social class or group or by a single person like dictatorship or monarchy. So it is different from oligarchy or monarchy. Autocracy is a government by a single person having unlimited power. Despotism, domination through threat of punishment and violence. Oligarchy is a government which is ruled by a small group of segregated, powerful, or influential people who usually share similar interests or family relations. Monarchy has a king, queen, emperor, or empress. The ruling position can be passed on to the ruler's heirs. In some traditional monarchies, the monarch has absolute power, like in Saudi Arabia. But a constitutional monarchy, like the UK, also has a democratic government that limits the monarch control. In a monarchy, a ruler is not usually chosen by the voice of the people or their representatives. Often, a monarch is the head of the state until he or she abdicates or until death. In many cases, a monarch is the final word in government. There may be functionaries to make decisions and run the political system, but the monarch has discretion with the laws and how they are enforced. Anarchy is a condition of no government, often occurs after war. Anarchy is a Greek word which means without ruler. It occurs in the state of disorder, for example, Syria. Dictatorship is the government is under the control of one person. We all know about Hitler. Yes, so that was the dictatorship. He was a dictator. So in dictatorship, The dictator or the head of the government takes power by force rather than inheriting power. Often were members of the military or police, and there is no limits to their power.